HVAC people.
See, some people out there comfortable right now. Some people trying to get out of hole. Some people grinding. I remember, hey, a lot of people know my story when I was just straight up homeless by choice, or just trying to get in another plateau of life. But I remember that hunger I had and the goals that I had, because I was really rock bottom, you know. Ain't have a pot to piss in or wanted to throw it out, as the old people used to say. But I remember that grind, that determination, and that hustle I had when I was, you know, real low. But I got to a point where I was in a space where even though I ain't have nothing, man, I still felt good because I had a goal. I had goals. I had stuff that I wanted to accomplish. I had things that I wanted to achieve. So in my mind, though, I was free because, I mean, we're in America too, man. It's the land of the free opportunities. So we really can do anything we want to, you know, in this country. We put our mind to it. But that level, that grind, that determination, you know, when we want to try to achieve something. And then we get to a point when we achieve those goals, we get comfortable and we just flow day by day, just flow, you know, because we made it to where we're comfortable. But a lot of us need to change. They get out their comfort zone and try to strive for a little more. And don't wait till you're back against the wall. Because when I'm back against the wall, man, just human nature, we're going to get out of it. Because anybody watching this video can think about a trying time that they had. And you look back and like, man, I made it through that. And you know that grit, that determination, that grind that you had to get yourself out that situation. And so let's get out that comfort zone and let's say we up here to the people that made it to a level that they want. Try to think back to that grind that you had when you was in that low point and use that same grind when you already up here. Then you can shoot amongst the stars. You know what I mean? Get out that comfort zone and hey, let's grind again. Cause myself, I find myself, okay, I'm, you know, in the comfort zone. Not now, cause I'm grinding. I've been grinding for the last 3 years, but I have been, okay, relaxing, you know, and got in the comfort zone. And I'm like, man, let me, even though I'm straight, I dug myself out a huge hole. Let me act like I'm back in that hole, even though I'm straight, really. Or I can live, you know, comfortably. Nah, man, I'm grinding like I ain't got nothing. I'm out here grinding like I'm staying in my truck again, you know. So just think about that, though. Don't wait till you lose everything to grind. Grind now. And for those that don't got nothing right now, get yourself out that hole. You can do it. All right, so we got a little mini split here. It has a leak in it. Last year we just charged it up. I think we're probably gonna do the same thing this year. filter's kind of dirty. Let's see if I can find a remote control. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna lower this set point so it just keep running. We know the blower running. I just not blowing cold air. So I am going to go down to the condenser and check the pressure. Can't remember, I know at least 3. Yeah. Right. I think they got the yellow jackets and here more. Yeah. I think it's around the same, but I know they're between 3 and 5 though. I just can't remember exactly. I had to look it up. Yeah. Yeah, I think the benders are a little cheaper. Yeah. I mean, I ain't gonna leak search. He just want to charge it. Yeah. All right, I'll let you. So these are the little adapters you have to use on here. Unfortunately, right now, it looks like I can only find one. I need to check the pressures one at a time, but it's not blowing hot, so I know I don't have high head pressure. And it's actually not even a service tap where you can tap into the liquid line, so we can charge it up to the suction line. Let's check the pressures though. So this is 410A. The system holds 2 pounds. Just gonna stick this on here. So if I wanted a perfect charge, I could recover everything, because it don't hold much, and just weigh in 2.6 pounds. But as you can see, this thing don't have no refrigerant in there, so I'm just gonna weigh in 2.6 pounds. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's actually negative 4 psi. No, that low, I wouldn't even have it running this long. So I'm negative 4.5 pounds. So I want to see a little bit. So I'm gonna try to weigh in. It says 2.60. I'm gonna try to weigh that in best as I can. .4, 0.5. .9. That's 1 pound. So I'm gonna go to 2 and slow up. All right, 1.9. All right, so I'm gonna slow up right there. That's 2.25. As you can see, I'm at 75, 74. Let's go ahead and go to 2.6. We don't want to overcharge it. All right, it's 2.5. So that's 2.6 pounds. All right, so I got 2.5 in there. As you see my pressure. You know, the evaporator coil really small. They got the line set going underground and then goes into that wall right there. So I sell Mitsubishi mini splits. I'm gonna try to give them a quote. Let me see if I can reuse those line set. Hopefully it'll leak not in the line. All right, so I'm gonna let that run a while. I'm gonna check my supply temperature at the register. Man, it's a beautiful neighborhood. Might have to start repairing these units, start replacing some of these units. I want to stay out here, ain't it? All right, so I've been running about 5 minutes now. Suction looking good. Still got 2.55 in there. So I'm gonna see if I can get that a little bit more in there. I know I got some refrigerant in my hoses. We're gonna tweak it just a little bit, probably go 2.7. Okay. That's good. That's good there. Little turbo air. I'm trying to remember which one of these units I worked on last year. May just been a maintenance, because this customer was referred by another one of my customers. I just can't remember what I did. All right, this is looking good here though. Till next time. But like I say, it's been almost a year exact the last time I was out here, so I got a real slow leak, but we do know it's losing everything because it was completely flat when I got out here. All right, we're doing snowballs now. Can't make this up.